Hi, I am Techno Guide SL. Today I am going to show you how to download YouTube videos for free. It is simple tutorial. Let me show you. First you have to open Google or any another browser. Then go to YouTube and select a video. Now right click and copy the video link. After that go to new tab and search save from net. Go to this site and paste your YouTube video link. You can select any video quality and download the video. You can also download YouTube Shorts on this tutorial. Website link in description.